Have you ever wondered how some statements, even false or malicious ones, can't be sued for defamation? That's because of a powerful legal protection called absolute privilege. Absolute privilege is a complete defense to defamation. If it applies, the person who made the statement is totally immune from liability, no matter how damaging the words might be. This defense exists because certain processes are so important to our justice system and our democracy that people must be able to speak freely without the fear of being sued. The High Court has explained that participants in judicial proceedings, judges, lawyers, witnesses, and parties need freedom to perform their roles properly. If they had to worry about defamation claims, it could obstruct the administration of justice and undermine the search for truth. So where does absolute privilege actually apply? Well, first, it applies to judicial proceedings. Statements made in court, evidence given, documents filed, and communications that are reasonably incidental to the trial process are generally protected. The idea is that courtrooms must be spaces where information can be presented openly. Secondly, it applies to quasi-judicial proceedings, bodies that operate in a way similar to courts and exercise judicial-type powers. This may include certain tribunals or disciplinary bodies, depending on how they function. Third, absolute privilege applies to parliamentary proceedings. Statements made during parliamentary debates, speeches, or committee hearings enjoy constitutional protection because open political communication is essential to responsible government. But it's important to understand that the defense is narrow. It does not typically apply to complaints made to the police, investigative bodies, or prosecutors. These communications aren't part of judicial or parliamentary proceedings, so they don't automatically receive absolute protection. Absolute privilege plays a key role in balancing two important interests: protecting reputations and ensuring that courts and parliaments can function without interference. In keeping the defense confined to specific settings, the law prevents abuse while still allowing essential public processes to operate freely. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with our experienced defamation professionals and let us help you to protect your rights.